Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2016 SZ Ford Territory. This vehicle sustained damage to the rear. This shape ran from the 4th month 2011 to the 12th month 2016. This vehicle is fitted with a 2.7 litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by a rear wheel drive 6-speed automatic transmission. It has a tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, right hand fog lamp and left hand headlight, left hand fog light and surround. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage. Left hand front guard, appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. There's a left hand power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right front door, the right hand power door mirror, factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. Right hand front guard appears to have no damage. We have the driver's door, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory cloth and leather interior. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy automatic transmission center console and handbrake lever. Tidy left hand sun visor. Interior courtesy light with sunglass holder. Has a tidy right hand sun visor. Factory single stack CD player, a media unit, display cluster, automatic transmission, instrument cluster, also has a tidy black leather steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.